Guys, I wanted to show you this back stretcher that I received from the company. I have a bad back as well as sciatica, and I've tried a ton of products. I actually am kind of like addicted to this right now. So you pump it, hand pump it up. You can see it here, and it's going to create this arch. And then you can stretch on it and then release it, which actually like just feels so good and relieves my back so much. So I try to do this a couple times a day. And then after I stretch it, you just can like release it and works so good. I love like that you can adjust it to different heights so you can make it like go really high, as well as the pressure points on here feel great. It's like a nice quality, kind of like this resistant foam. Really easy to do, and it's like portable. You can take it wherever. I store it underneath my bed right now. Definitely give this a try if you have a bad back and you're looking for something to stretch out, or if you just want to give like a good stretch before sports or after. Really happy with this one.